G'day guys, we're just out at an industrial estate in Derrimut, Victoria. Here we're installing a 63 cubic metre storage detention system. The installation started on the system just prior to 11 AM this morning, and after a productive 2 hours, the system has been completely assembled by 1 o'clock. It's been an efficient installation because of the easy on-site handling and assembly process. Let's take a closer look at the process. To begin installation of the AtlanCube, we excavate and prepare a smooth compacted Class 2 road base exceeding 100 kPa bearing capacity. A layer of geo-fabric is laid down within the excavation. Then there is a single layer of LDPE liner which serves as a watertight membrane for the tank. Finally, there is a second layer of geo-fabric prior to the cube modules being placed. These geo-fabric layers serve to protect the lining membrane. Then we assemble and install our cube modules with 1 cube equivalent to 1 cubic metre of storage. So you can see how easily these go together. One module simply clips on top of the base module, which can be installed in a single layer or in multiple layers, depending on your project constraints or requirements. The tank on this site is a single layer of 63 cubes. Once the AtlanCube modules are placed, we install the inlet and outlet pipe connections, snap on the side plates, and install the venting. This is then wrapped with a final layer of geo-fabric. The system is then backfilled using walk-behind vibratory compaction, ensuring a consistent and stable backfill around and above the tank. So one of the key advantages of this system is the ability to maintain. So you can see the large spacings between the main structural pillars. That allows us to send a camera through the tank for inspection. It also allows us to send a jet-vac system through the tank where we can jet any silt build-up along the tank base. Jet it to one end where we can then send in a vacuum hose and suck up that silt. You can see on this module here we've got a cutout on top of the module. We can then attach a range of different access risers, manholes, pipe and flange combinations to suit your site's access requirements. Clearly you can see that this is a very efficient system to install on site. 63 cubic metres, 2 hours, nailed it.